Hello students, welcome back. We are doing chapter 16, Circumference of Circle from class 9th book of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. And we have completed till question number 8 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 9, okay? So let us see the instruction of the question. The perimeter of borewell of a village is for 40 centimeter. There is an equally wide stone parapet around this borewell. If the perimeter of the borewell with parapet is 616 centimeter, let us write by calculating that how much width of the stone parapet is. Okay, let's understand this question with a diagram. So we have a borewell here and the circumference of this borewell. Perimeter means circumference, okay? Circumference of this borewell is given to us for 40 centimeter. Perimeter of this borewell is given to us for 40 centimeter. Radius is not given to us, so we assume the center here and let's say this is the radius of this borewell, okay? Small r is the radius of this borewell. Now there is an equally wide stone parapet around this borewell. So we have a stone parapet around this borewell of equal width, okay? Width of this stone parapet is equal for all sides, okay? Width of the stone parapet is equal for all sides. This thickness or the width is equal from all sides. Now you can see there is an inner circle here and the circumference of this inner circle is given to us for 40 centimeter and the circumference of this outer circle is given to us 616 centimeter, okay? If the perimeter of borewell with parapet is 616 centimeter means the circumference or the perimeter of the outer circle is 616 centimeter. Radius is not given in this case also, so we assume capital R be the radius of this outer circle, okay? Now let's solve this question. Before that, let me tell you that we are asked to find the width of this parapet, stone parapet, isn't it? Width, thickness is given by capital R means total radius minus small r, okay? This radius is equal to this small r. So capital R minus small r will give us the thickness of this stone parapet. So we are asked to find capital R minus small r, which will give us the thickness of the stone parapet, isn't it? So since circumference of inner circle is given to us, circumference of inner circle equal to for 40 centimeter. This is given to us, isn't it? Circumference of inner circle is for 40 centimeter. Perimeter means circumference, okay? Circumference of inner circle is given by the formula 2 pi r, isn't it? And the radius is small r. 2 pi small r means the circumference of the internal circle, okay? 2 pi r equal to 440. So this is equation 1. And circumference of outer circle, circumference of outer circle is given to us, circumference of exterior circle is given to us 616 centimeter. 616 centimeter. Circumference of outer circle is given by the formula 2 pi capital R. Radius is capital R for outer circle. So 2 pi capital R is 616 centimeter. This is equation 2. Okay. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We need capital R minus small r to get the thickness of the stone parapet, okay? So let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 we have 2 pi capital R minus left hand side of the equation 1 2 pi small r. Right hand side of the equation 2 616 minus left hand side right hand side of the equation 1 440. We are subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so here we can see 2 pi, we take 2 pi common. Within the bracket we will have r minus small r, cap r minus small r. This 2 pi and 2 pi is taken out as common. We subtract this number. 6 minus 0 will give us 6. So 11 minus 4 is 7. This becomes 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so r minus r. Okay, this 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r minus r equal to 176, or r minus small r equal to 176 we have in the right hand side. This 7 will go to the numerator by cross multiplication, and this 2 into 22 will come down to the denominator by cross multiplication. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 17, 1 in hand, 2 8s are 16. Okay, so 22 1s are 22, 22 4s are, isn't it? 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 22 4s are 88. So we have, therefore, capital R minus small r equal to 4 into 7. 4 times 7 is 4 7s are 28 centimeter. Capital R minus small r is 28. Capital R minus small r will give us the thickness of this stone parapet, isn't it? Therefore, the width of the stone parapet, width of the stone parapet equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question. Question number 10. Niyamat Chacha of village attaches motor's wheel with a machine's wheel by a belt. The length of the diameter of motor wheel is 14 centimeter and the machine wheel is 94.5 centimeter. If the motor's wheel revolves 27 times in a second, then let us calculate how many times the machine wheel will revolve in an hour. So let's understand the question with a diagram. We have a motor wheel here. Smaller wheel is the motor wheel. Okay, motor wheel, and a bigger wheel, this is a machine wheel. Okay, and these two wheels are attached with a belt, which means when this motor wheel revolves, this machine wheel will also revolve at the same time. Okay, the diameter of this motor wheel is given to us 14 centimeter and diameter of this machine wheel is given to us 94.5 centimeter. 94.5 centimeter. Okay, the most important thing which we need to understand here is, no matter how many times this motor will revolve or this machine wheel will revolve, but the distance covered by these two wheels must be same because they are attached with belt. Okay, so I hope you got this. Now let's understand the question further. If the motor's wheel revolves 27 times in 1 second, if this smaller wheel revolves 27 times in 1 second, how many times this bigger wheel, this machine wheel, will revolve in 1 hour, in an hour? This is the question. The question is, if this smaller wheel will revolve 27 times in 1 second, how many times will this bigger wheel revolve in 1 hour? Okay, so this is the question. We have, let's start solving this question. Diameter of motor wheel. Diameter of motor wheel. Diameter of motor wheel. Diameter is given by the formula 2r, isn't it? Diameter means 2r is 14 centimeter. This diameter is 14 centimeter. Diameter of this motor wheel is 14 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of motor wheel equal to 2 pi r, isn't it? 2 pi r. Circumference is given by the formula 2 pi r. So 2r means 14. 2r means 14. So we write 14 here for 2r. into pi. Pi means 22 by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 2 into 22 is 44, which means the circumference of this motor wheel, the smaller wheel, is 44 centimeter, which means this smaller wheel will cover 44 centimeter in one revolution. In one revolution it will cover a distance of 44 centimeter. So in 27 revolutions, it will cover a distance of 44 into 27, isn't it? Because it can cover a distance of 44 centimeter in one revolution. So it will cover a distance of 44 into 27 in 27 revolutions. So therefore distance covered by motor wheel in 1 second. In 1 second means in 27 revolutions, okay, because 27 revolutions are made in 1 second. This is given to us in question. If the motor's wheel revolves 27 times in 1 second, so in 1 second means 27 revolutions, okay. So distance covered by motor wheel in 1 second is 44 into 27 centimeter. This is the distance covered by motor wheel in 1 second. So distance covered by motor wheel in 1 second is known to us now. Now let us find the distance covered by motor wheel in 1 hour, okay. Distance covered by motor wheel in 1 hour. 1 hour. So in 1 second this much distance is covered by the motor wheel. So in 1 hour, 44 into 27, this distance is covered by motor wheel in 1 second. So 1 hour means into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So this distance is covered by motor wheel in 1 hour, okay. This much distance is covered by motor wheel in 1 hour. This distance is covered in 1 second, this distance is covered in 1 minute, and this distance is covered in 1 hour. I hope you got this. Now the diameter of this machine wheel is given to us 94.5 centimeter. Now let us find the circumference of this machine wheel as well, okay. Since diameter of machine wheel diameter means twice radius, 2 into radius, okay, is 94.5 centimeter. Therefore circumference of machine wheel equal to 2r into pi, 2 pi r, isn't it? 2 pi r, 2r into pi. So 2r means 94.5 into pi, okay. 2r means 94.5 into pi means 22 by 7. So this is the circumference of this machine wheel. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 2, so this becomes 24, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24, 3 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7, 8 9, 2 in hand, this becomes 24, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24, 3 in hand, 7 5s are 35. So we have a decimal point, we put a decimal point here. 13.5 into 22, 13.5 into 22 centimeter. So this is the distance covered by this machine wheel in one revolution, okay. So if this is the distance covered by machine wheel in one revolution, then to cover this much distance, how many revolutions should this machine wheel make? Are you getting my point? So let me repeat again. If this is the distance covered by machine wheel in one revolution, so to cover this much distance, how many times should machine wheel revolve? Means this distance divided by this, isn't it? Therefore number of revolutions revolutions executed by machine wheel in 1 hour equal to this 44 into 27 into 60 into 60 divided by 13.5 into 22, isn't it? So let's cancel this. 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44. Okay, now we cancel with 3. Okay, so let me eliminate the decimal point first. 13.5, isn't it? I write 135 and I introduce 0 in the numerator. Okay, I eliminated decimal point from the denominator and introduced 10 in the numerator. So now let's cancel this. 3 4s are 12, 13, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 12s are 60. So we have 2 into 12 into 600. So 2 12s are 24, 24 into 600. 24 into 600, isn't it? So 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 13 14, and these 2 zeros we write here. Okay, so we have 14400 centimeter. That means this machine wheel will revolve 14,400. Okay, this is not centimeter, sorry, this is revolutions. Okay, this machine wheel will revolve 14,400 revolutions in 1 hour. I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question. Question number 11. The length of hour's hand and minute's hand are 8.4 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively of a club clock. Let us calculate how much distance will be covered by each hand in a day. Okay, so let's understand this question with a diagram. Let's assume this is hour hand and this is minute hand. Okay, hour hand is usually shorter than the minute hand. So we can assume this as the radius, small r. Okay, this is the radius, and this hour hand will cover the circumference of this circle in 1 revolution, isn't it? This hour hand will cover the distance equal to the circumference of this circle in 1 revolution, while this minute hand will cover the circumference of this outer circle in 1 revolution. Okay, this minute hand will cover the circumference of this outer circle in 1 revolution, and this hour hand will cover the circumference of this inner circle in 1 revolution. Okay, it is given to us that the length of hour hand is 8.54 centimeter and the length of minute hand is 14 centimeter. So small r is 8.4 centimeter, radius of inner circle is 8.4 centimeter, and the radius of outer circle is 14 centimeter. It is given to us. Okay, radius of inner circle, we can say length of our hand, which is radius of inner circle, equal to 8.4 centimeter. So circumference of inner circle, equal to 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r is 8.4. 2 into 22 by 7, 2 pi, and r is 8.4. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 8, 7 2s are 14. So we have decimal here, isn't it? 2 into 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 25, 26. We have a decimal here, let's put decimal. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2, 2 2s are 4, 5, 52.8 centimeter. Circumference of the inner circle is 52.8 centimeter, which means this is the circumference of inner circle, means this our hand will cover 52.8 centimeter in one revolution. So we are asked to find the distance covered by this our hand in one day, isn't it? So in one day this our hand will complete 2 revolutions. Okay, in one day 24 hours means 2 revolutions. Okay, therefore distance covered by our hand in one day means 2 revolutions. Okay, revolutions. Distance covered by our hand in one day equal to 52.8 into 2. This will give us 2 8s are 16, 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 5s are 10. So we have decimal point before one digit, so we put a decimal point here. 105.6 centimeter. This is the distance covered by our hand in one day, which means 2 revolutions. Okay, now let us find the distance covered by the minute hand in one day. First let us see the radius of the outer circle. Okay, or we can say the length of the minute hand. The radius of the outer circle equal to, it is given to us 14 centimeter. Radius of the outer circle is 14 centimeter. So circumference of the outer circle, equal to 2 into pi into r. R is 14. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Sorry, 7 2s are not 7 4s are, 7 2s are 14. So 2 2s are 4, which means 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 88 centimeter. So circumference of the outer circle is 88 centimeter. This means this minute hand will cover 88 centimeter in one complete revolution. Okay, in one revolution this minute hand will cover 88 centimeter, which means in one day how many revolutions should this minute hand make? So in one revolution, 1 hour. One revolution of minute hand means 1 hour. So 24 hours means into 24 revolutions. One revolution 1 hour, 24 revolutions means 24 hours, isn't it? So in one day means 24 hours. Therefore distance covered by minute hand in one day means 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours means 24 revolutions. Okay, because one revolution means 1 hour. 24 hour means 24 revolutions. Distance covered by minute hand in one day is, in one revolution it can cover a distance of 88 centimeter. In one revolution it will cover a distance of its own circumference, which is 88 centimeter. So in one day it will cover 24 revolutions, isn't it? 24 hours means 24 revolutions. So into 24, 88 into 24, 88 into 24, 88 into 24. Okay, so 4 8s are 32, 3 in hand, 4 8s are 32 plus 3 is 35, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17, 2 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 3 10, plus 1 is 11. This one becomes 2, 2 1 1 6, 2 1 1 2. So this is 2 1 1 2. Distance covered by minute hand, centimeter, 2112 centimeter. Okay, I hope you got this. So this is the solution for question number 11. this much for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected. If you find this video helpful, then please don't hesitate to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. This is absolutely free of cost for you, but it motivates me a lot. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much.